Let's search for dollhouse miniatures in Hobby Lobby's Fall and Halloween section. And welcome to my channel, Notorious Crafts. A lot of these items that I'm finding can be easily turned into miniatures for a dollhouse or miniature scene. All of the items are also on sale, so it's 40% off the listed price that you see on each of the packaging. There are so many miniature pumpkins. I really like these small ones. They're made from resin and look pretty realistic and would look so cute in a miniature pumpkin patch. There are these little tiny leaves that could make some really great decorations on shelves, and even these little mini hay bales that would look really cute outside of a dollhouse stacked on top of each other with some pumpkins on top. And here are some sparkly leaves, very cute. And these signs would be really great too to put up on a dollhouse wall. And here are some more wooden leaves in many different colors. These would also be really great to hang on a dollhouse wall. And here are some really tiny scarecrows. They're adorable. They would be really great also to put into a miniature pumpkin patch or in a miniature garden scene. And here are some wooden mushrooms that could also make a great decoration, even some pretty fall stickers, some really squishy pumpkins. They have a really large variety of different kinds of pumpkins, so you can definitely create the type of look you would like, and many different crafting items, lots of stickers too. And around the column, there are some more fall-themed stickers, some more pumpkins, some leaves that I can't leave alone, and some really pretty flower stickers. And some fall-themed fairy lights. These would be so cute to hang all over a dollhouse. They're the perfect size too. And I see some pumpkin ones right behind it. I would love to get both of these, and the price is really reasonable too. They would also be really great to wrap around a miniature tree. And some more miniature pumpkins. If you really wanted to, you can use some wire cutters to cut these off the stems and use them as miniature pumpkins. And on the other side of the aisle, there are pumpkins of all sizes. You can use these for Barbies, for 1/6 scale dolls, or 1/12. I don't know about you, but pumpkin is the only fruit that I'm going to be eating this fall. And yes, pumpkin is in fact a fruit. I just found that out. Let me know down below in the comments if you also did not know that pumpkin is a fruit. And some more of these really tiny squishy pumpkins. These would look really cute if you cut them off the stem and put them on top of a miniature couch to look like a miniature pumpkin pillow. Isn't this season just wonderful? Really loving all of this fall and Halloween themed decor at Hobby Lobby this year. It's so hard not to buy all of it. Some of these really tiny pumpkin houses, these little tiny cars might work for a Barbie. I'm not sure if the sizing is just right, but it might work. And they have these adorable little hedgehogs with a hat. These are just too precious. There's also a white little truck. It'd be really cute to fill it with some tiny little pumpkins. And look at these. They have some miniature Christmas trees. I guess technically not Christmas trees, they're fall trees. But how cute would these be to decorate with some of the string lights that we found earlier that were fall themed? And there's even bigger ones in all different kinds of colors. I actually would love to do a fall themed tree. I've never done that before. There's even some miniature trees down below made from metal. And look, there's even a little tiny bench right next to it. I think that'd be great for like American Girl dolls. So many items. Let's see what else they have. They have some kitchen items, some miniature spoons. I think this would be too big for Barbies, but they actually might work for dolls that are as big as American Girl dolls. In the fall kitchen section, there are these tiny pumpkin skewers. This could also work as a really nice miniature decoration to place inside of a miniature vase or stick it inside of a miniature garden. These leaves have many different colors and are really pretty. And look at these tiny little mugs. Adorable. These could work for American Girl dolls. Even these, like a little mini cake platter. I think that's all the miniature items in this aisle. Let's go around to the next one. And this could easily be turned into a miniature garland, some tiny leaves, and even a leaf-shaped silicone mold. You can use these for resin as well. Don't forget to check some of the sides and the smaller aisles, like these little tiny fall-themed ladders. There's actually 2 ladders in this pack, and each one is different. They are each a different color and have a bow and some sort of fall-themed saying on them. And some more pumpkins on the side here because a pumpkin a day keeps the doctor away in the fall. Here are some miniature houses. They look like they're made from porcelain. Ooh, a cute mug. All right, I'm trying not to get distracted by all these cute things, but here are some more of these fall-themed string lights. Some pumpkin ones, flower ones, mushroom ones, some without anything. So many cute options. Don't forget to go into the other aisles to try to find some fall and Halloween decor. Like now I'm in the paper and scrapbooking section, and here are some little tiny pumpkin buttons that could also make some really cute decorations inside of a dollhouse. So many miniature flowers like these sunflowers for a perfect fall-themed dollhouse. And moving on to these stickers, I also found some more fall-themed stickers, lots of different pumpkins and scarecrows, some that are even 3D. Stickers can also make great decorations in a dollhouse if you can use them as a banner or wall decoration. They have so many different fall-themed papers. These would make great wallpapers inside of a dollhouse, or you can even cut them out and use them as decorations. And some trees with colorful fall leaves on them. And the rest have fall and Halloween themed colors. Now I'm in the dollhouse and miniature section of Hobby Lobby, and they have some of these miniature pumpkins. Let's see what else looks fall and Halloween themed that we could use in miniatures. Oh hey, there are some more of these miniature hay bales. And there's this little tiny metal windmill. This would be really great to place on a miniature farm scene or a miniature pumpkin patch. In the candle section, I found these little miniature pumpkins. They look like they're made from paper. I think they're scented. They're really cute though. Well, that's fall, folks. Hopefully you can use some of these fall items in your dollhouses and miniature scenes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.